Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm sorry I reached my time limit in explaining these problems. So where we left off, we've built our factor trees. Okay, we've got some ordered factors here, pairs of factors I like to call them. 2 times 12 is 24, etc. We've written out our prime factorization of each of these numbers. So all we have left to do is to find out what the lowest common multiple is. Okay, so our LCM of our numbers 24 and 32. So what we have to do is make sure that all of these numbers are included and to be efficient about it. So what we have to do for 32 is we have to include all of these 2's. These 2's must be included, okay? So I'm going to write this as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so these 3 2's are accounted for. We got them. They're perfect. They're done. They've been included in this list here. We just have to make sure that this 3 also gets included. So I'm going to tack that 3 on as well. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Now we have to multiply 32 by 3. I'm going to quickly do that in my head, and I end up getting 96. I hope. Again, just quickly doing some mental math. So I'm saying that the lowest common multiple is 96. Okie dokie. So let's just double check by skip counting. And you're like, well, we're double checking with skip counting. Why are we doing this long method? Well, it's good to know how to do both ways. As you do your practice with your IXL, you will probably use skip counting 99.9% of the time, but it's important that I show you both ways. Okay, so let's write out 24, 32, 24 times 1 is 24. Add on 24, we end up getting 48, 62, no, 72. Miss N does not have a calculator out with her right now, just going on a whim here. Add the 4, 76 is 96. Well, there's our answer in question there after 4 counts. Okay, now we're going to skip count 32. Got 32 times 2 is 6. Excuse me, sorry. We've got 64. Add 2 to end up getting 96. So yes, the prime factorization method is a little bit lengthy, but it's a good way to kind of practice knowing what our prime numbers are. It helps us think about our ordered factor pairs, etc. So if you really want to work on your math skills, I recommend practicing a few of the prime factorization methods. So there you have it. We've checked for those grade 8s that are going into high school next year. You're going to be thankful when you learn what exponents are, because you won't have to write 2 out a bunch of times like that. It'll be a little bit more compact. So that is all for this lesson. I hope you found it useful.